Okay, we have another Microsoft Kit for Teams. So if you want to build apps for Teams, this would be a great place to start. You can already see they have a pretty sophisticated documentation, and also they covered all the basics like accessibility and all the good stuff. So you don't have to do everything from scratch. And I expect like all the elements to be pretty well done as expected. Again, probably a bit over documented. I'm not sure how this scales. If you're using it as a library, it might be slow and you might have to delete a bunch of stuff. But on the other side, I do prefer this that has a tons of examples because it's easier to remove stuff than to add stuff. So yeah, but yeah, as expected, I imagine they have everything locked down. I see not everything is with auto layout yet, which kind of sucks, but also it's easy fixable. Yeah, you can see it's like quite slow just because it has a lot of stuff. So you probably want to delete all of this before you publish it as a library and just use the components and these a separate file as inspiration. But yeah, fun to see Microsoft doing good design again. Good job.